Hey, welcome back. So this Amazon parcel just got delivered and today we are gonna unbox it. And honestly, I've been waiting for this all week. Now, inside this box is something which pretty much solves most of the daily problems you face when using an action camera. Because if you shoot on cameras like DJI, GoPro or Insta360, you know exactly how frustrating the mounting can be. The standard sticky tapes and the plastic clips, these are so limiting. You can never really get the camera where you actually want it. And worse, you are constantly worried it's gonna fall off. So, this piece of gear fixes exactly that. It's the Neewer Super Clamp, and I'm really hyped to see what's inside this box. So, let's continue. Alright, getting into the box, the Neewer keeps it super clean. You get the quick setup guidebook, the main super clamp itself, an action camera mount adapter, a phone holder mount, and of course, a classic silica gel packet. So right off the bat, the build quality of this clamp is super heavy. It's almost entirely some CNC machined metal, not some kind of cheap plastic which you usually get in our local shops. So this clamp is gonna add some real weight into it. The dual ball head adjusts smoothly and locks down with just one main screw. Plus, including both the action mount adapter and a phone mount adapter right inside the box means you do not have to buy them separately. So for the first impressions, definitely worth it. The full metal construction feels industrial. This rubber grip won't ruin our gear or surfaces. It's basically an all-metal heavy-duty clamp with a 360-degree ball head which lets you lock your action camera literally at any angle and onto anything, be it bikes, be it poles, be it railings or the edges of the desk. It literally locks onto anything at any angle, and having both the action camera and the phone mounts out of the box adds a huge value. The only real downside is that the metal adds a bit of weight to your kit, but that's a trade-off I will take any day for the actual reliability. So now opinion time. I think for this price, this clamp is an absolute no-brainer if you are serious about getting some dynamic shots. If you are tired about the plastic mounts flexing, the adhesives failing, and you are limited to only basic angles, then this super clamp can basically replace about 4 accessories in your bag. So you can not only save some extra money, but you can also save some extra space in your bag. Honestly, this is one of the best upgrades that you can do for your setup. If you want to check it out, then the links are in the description. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
I'm changing myself.